My video guide is about getting rid of the online pop-ups that come from the site Ncncu.xyz. It's a misleading website that tries to force people into downloading and installing some unwanted browser extensions. Ncncu.xyz is a dangerous resource because it tries to force you into downloading and installing some unwanted browser extensions for the Google Chrome browser. In case the extension got installed, you should undertake the measures to get rid of it immediately. So I'm going to install the extension on purpose in order to let you know how to get rid of it, how to remove the extension after it was mistakenly installed. So first of all, let us install this particular extension into the Google Chrome browser. The extension may change a lot of crucial browser settings, such as your default homepage, default search engine, and so on. So let us remove it. Go to the menu of your browser, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. Now you need to disable and remove any third-party extensions that could be causing such troubles. And to make sure that your system is free of any other threats, I strongly advise that you scan your system with a Combo Cleaner antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download it through this green button, install the program, and begin researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.